just reached the hotel. We're in Milan, and I'm wearing my winter coat because minimum temperature minimum temperature is around -1. So we need to wear, or we need to bring the winter coat. So I don't have any plans here in Milan because it's too cold, and also I'm trying to save money for my investments. Wow. And also I'm too lazy to go out because I went out already last July. So just watch it. Try to watch it because I tried to vlog. And what else? I'm just gonna relax in my hotel room, eat, and then that's it. Maybe I'm also gonna shower later before dinner. So yeah. So hello, I'm back. Shower is done, and I just came back from my room. So my batchmate was also here. She's in another room, but she's going back to Dubai, and then that's why I visited her, and it's also her birthday. So I just came back, and she gave me her cake because she couldn't finish, and she couldn't also bring it back to Dubai. So we ate it, and ta-da! This is the leftover. So we ate it, and then we also chat a little because we haven't seen each other for like 2 months, I think, or 1 month. I think 2 months. So here's my baon, Spanish style sardines. This is my favorite sardines, Spanish style sardines. Mmm, harap. Tonight, I'm too hungry not to finish this one. Malamig. Super lamig. 5 degrees. Gulo na ang buhok ko. Ah, Halika na tayo sa Times Square. Buti na lang may ganito ko. Kasi 5 degrees ata or 4 na. Naninigas na yung kamay ko, di na makagalaw. Pinicturean ko lang lahat ng mga Christmas decors na makita ko sa daan.
Good dog. Look how good. Okay, don't, you know, you can. Oh, so good.
Usually these types of dogs are crazy.
We have a lot of training and a lot of time put into it.
Yeah. You need to.
You can't have big, fat, big dogs here.
No, you can't. Oh my goodness, so good.
Yeah.
All right. See, thank you so much for letting us pet your dog. So sweet. My goodness. I bet you sit here all day if you want to pet them.
What's your favorite part?
Yeah, and look at their nice warm coat.
That's where I had valve for.
Hello, I'm back in the hotel. I wasn't able to vlog that much since I have to do a lot of errands today. I went to JD, I bought shoes, and it wasn't part of the plan, but I bought it because it was on sale, like half, and I know it's already phased out, I think. So yeah, I bought it. It was only $55. So I bought it. And then I think I haven't shown you this meal here. It's mix of chicken and lamb and a salad. And a salad. I miss this. I always buy this whenever I'm here in New York. Hello guys, I just arrived in Frankfurt. It's my first time here. Look at the room. It's so nice. Look at that. The toilet. Look at that. So nice. Room. Look at my room. It's so big. And here's the view. and it's high ceiling. So I've changed already in my pajamas because we're not going to the Christmas market anymore because they said it's gonna close by 9 p.m. and today is the last day. I was actually looking forward to this flight because of the Christmas market because it's my first time in Frankfurt, and then this is the only Europe flight that I had, or this is the only flight that I know that will have a Christmas market, like a decent Christmas market. But then we didn't know that today is the last day of their Christmas market. It's still early, it's still 22nd of December. I don't know why. I don't know why they are doing it or stopping it very early. But yeah, they said today is the last day of the Christmas market and it closes by 9 p.m. And the time is 8:53. I should have removed my makeup first, before positioning her. But maybe later. After one episode, I will remove my makeup. Hello guys, good morning. Look at my view. And then, this is my baon for today's video. I have this 555 hot and spicy fried sardines. So it's my first time trying this one. I hope it's good. It says number one fried sardines in the Philippines. I love sardines, especially the Spanish sardines. You always see me eating that in my layovers. So hopefully this one's good. So my rice is cooked already. And now I have to clean my desk. It has like four full sardines. I think it's bigger than the Spanish sardines. I wish I have tomatoes because this is good with tomatoes if you paired it with tomatoes. Mm.
말해줘가지고 이거 타고 다니려고 그런 거야?
근데 구성 어떡하지? 여기는 내
I need to go down. Okay, see you in Dubai.